Hey everyone, in this quick tutorial I'll show you how to add reverb to your vocals or instruments in BandLab. It's super easy and makes your tracks sound more professional. First of all, open your project, open the BandLab application and make sure your device is connected to the internet. If you have already project, you can work with that, or if you don't have, click the plus icon and you can import the file, or you can record your own voice or audio. Here simply choose one of the file, your track will be ready. Now tap the FX button at the bottom of the screen or the side of the screen. This open up the BandLab effects panel where you can add and customize sound. Tap the track and you will see the FX button. Click on that and this will open the effects panel in the sound lab. Then add reverb. Tap add effect, then choose reverb from the list. You can select different presets like bright room, studio reverb or large house depending on the vibe you want. Simply select the effect which you want and you can add the reverb from here, or you can source from here. Now if you have done, use the sliders to control how much reverb you want. Increase it for dreamy, spacious sound or keep it low for a subtle touch. And that's it. You just added reverb in BandLab. Play around with it until it matches your style. And don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.